questions,
Yeah,
and
of course.
they are going to ask now. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
please.
So, ma'am, as you know, people from different countries speak English differently. So, how do you suggest we bridge the gap between those people and how to understand them better?
You mean what gap? What kind of gap?
And the accents different people of different nations speak is different. So, how do we bridge that gap?
Basically, I think it is most important to interact as many people as possible, whose native language is not English. So in Japan, students learn English, but the English is basically based on American English. But for students to understand that, diversifying English, it is more important for them to listen and interact as many nationality as possible, like you, and maybe from people from European countries whose native language is not English. And yeah, it is very important to recognize the situation and accent. Mm-hmm.
Definitely.
Ma'am, do the students usually converse in Japanese or English in classes other
Um,
than yours?
Japanese. In my class,
No, no, other than your class.
In general, in
uh,
Japan.
that depends on the contents of the class. So, in the English grammar class, they speak in Japanese mainly. But when they have a class of practical communication, like debate or discussion, or sometimes expressing their opinions, I make them speak in English.
Oh, okay, ma'am. And
Mhm.
what all topics do you teach the children?
It's really various. Like for students age 15, around 15 or 16, the topic is more easy. Like, which do you like better, dogs or cats?
And
And
ma'am,
if they get older, the topic become a little difficult. Like, which do you want to live in in the rural area or urban areas? And they need to say the reason also. And if they get older, the topic becomes more difficult. Like, um, wait, um, so like Japanese government should pay more money on peacekeeping operation on the United Nations.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, like that.
Ma'am, as you know, there is a lot of debate about American English and British English.
Mm-hmm.
And just a minute, I just
Mm-hmm.
wanted to drink some water.
So, ma'am, what do you think, is American English better or is British English better? We also have, as
So
students, we also have a little difficulty because there are different spellings for each kind of language. So, which one do you think is better, American or British?
it's a really tough question. Um, I can't choose which is better exactly because each of it has the good points.
Yes.
Yeah, it's difficult. I can't choose. How about you? What do you think? Which is better?
Ma'am, according to me, American.
Me too, American, because British English has more accent, which I guess
Okay.
we as Indians as well can't understand. So we feel that American English is definitely better.
Okay, I see. Thank you.
So